And today, special thanks to my friends at Daqa, who are Starlink accessory makers, who are nice enough to send me this magnetic roof mount. So, inside of this box for today's unboxing video is everything that comes with this magnetic roof mount. So, this is the main piece here. This is made out of like some really nice aluminum, not plastic or anything. So this is perfect to be able to snap on to your Starlink dish. Now, I've got a nice little accessories kit here. So this is your 4 magnetic mounts, nothing else there, and some screws and stuff that are needed. And that's essentially what those look like. You can see the little magnets there. And this is also a part of it. So in here, very nice middle mount here, which essentially all of these screw into each side like so. That way the magnets are on each one. And I'm gonna take this out. So, as I was saying, each one of these would have the magnet on it, and you can have this nice little pole here as a nice little adapter piece for the smaller version if needed. And so you take this piece, it screws into here, like so. You screw these two onto the feet. This slides onto here and is tightened with the screws right there, at which point your Starlink mounts on here and is mounted and ready to go. And that's a look at this Daqa magnetic Starlink satellite antenna mounting kit. Perfect for putting on the roof of like an RV, or even if you have a metal house, it'd be able to stick right onto that metal roof and should not go anywhere. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.